All right. I got it. I've got it. And when I point to you, I want you to say liquid. And when I point to you, Addie, say or powder.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Liquid or powder. Liquid or powder. Liquid or powder. Ba 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 boom 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 ba 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 na na na. Liquid or powder, no doubt, all of us have our preference when choosing a pre-spray. And if you've come to the conclusion that liquid is your go-to, you might want to sit tight because there's one product that lasts longer than any liquid on the market, covering a larger area for less money. That's the Ultrapac Extreme. Let's be honest. All powders aren't equal. Most don't fully dissolve in water that isn't at optimum temperature, which results in clogged lines. Nobody wants that, which is why some cleaners still prefer liquid. Ultrapac Extreme is a very soluble powder, so you can use much more than the recommended dilution ratio, and it will still dissolve completely, keeping those lines free. And when I say dissolve completely, I'm talking in cold water too. It's strong enough for the hardest jobs, including heavily soiled environments like a dirty carpet in a sports club, but it's also gentle enough for the simple jobs. Truly, a does-all product. It's even stable up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, boiling point. With all the advancements in truck mounts, you need a product that can be stable at those high temperatures. And the best part is, you can use it alongside today's cutting-edge truck mounts like the 370 EFI.
Did Jack say the 370 EFI?
Ange! Come on, snap out of it. Jeez.
Oh, boy. Was she obsessing over the 370 EFI again?
And then some.
Well, did you finish telling them about one of the best pre-sprays in the industry?
For sure, the Ultrapac Extreme. Liquid or powder. Liquid or powder. Liquid or powder. Ba 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 da 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 da. Dum 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 dum. Legend Brands.